Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Quick English. My name is Nick.
And I am Kat. Thank you for coming back to learn with us. We are very happy to have you here. On Quick English, we speak only simple English with easy words. We talk slowly and clearly so you can follow everything and improve your English step by step.
Today, we have a brand new topic. We will talk about my city, transportation, jobs, environment, and future plans. This is going to be another long and useful episode. Let's start.
First, my city. Nick, tell us about the city or town where you live.
I live in a medium-sized city. There are many shops, schools, parks, and markets. The streets are busy in the morning and evening. There are tall buildings in the center and small houses in the outer areas. I like my city because I have many friends here.
My city has a big river. In the evening, many people walk near the river. The air is fresh there. There's also a big park with trees and playgrounds. Children play and laugh. I feel peaceful when I visit the park.
Cities are different. Some are very big with lots of traffic. Some are small and quiet. But every city has its own beauty and problems.
Now, transportation. How do you go from one place to another?
I usually go by bicycle or bus. Bicycle is good for short distances and it gives exercise. Bus is cheap and convenient. Sometimes I walk if the place is near. Walking is healthy.
I like riding in cars with my family. Trains are also good for long distances. They are fast and you can see beautiful scenery from the window. Airplanes are exciting but expensive. We use different transportation depending on the distance.
Transportation helps us connect with people, but we should use public transport more to reduce pollution.
Yes. Now let's talk about jobs. What do you want to do in the future, Nick?
I am thinking about becoming a teacher or an engineer. Teachers help students learn new things. Engineers build roads, bridges, and machines. Both jobs are useful for society.
I want to be a doctor or a writer. Doctors help sick people become healthy. Writers create stories and share ideas. Any job is good if you work hard and honestly.
Jobs teach us responsibility, time management, and teamwork. While studying, we should learn skills that help us get good jobs later.
Now, environment. The environment is very important for all living things.
We have air, water, land, trees, and animals. We must keep them clean. Don't throw plastic in rivers. Plant more trees. Save water and electricity. Small actions by many people can make big changes.
Yes, I try to use less plastic. I carry my own water bottle. I turn off lights when I leave the room. We should teach children to love and protect nature.
When the environment is clean, we stay healthy and happy. Fresh air, clean water, and green spaces make life better.
Finally, future plans. What are your plans for the next few years?
I plan to study hard, improve my English, finish school, and go to college. I also want to travel to different places and learn about other cultures.
My plans are to read more books, practice English every day, help my parents, and achieve my dream job. Plans can change, but having a direction is important.
We should make realistic plans and work every day toward them. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today.
Let's connect all topics. In our city, we use transportation to go to school or work. We think about jobs that help the environment. We make plans for a better future.
Now it is practice time. Repeat these sentences after us slowly.
I live in a beautiful city with many parks.
I go to school by bus every day.
I want to become a doctor in the future.
We must protect our environment.
I have big plans for my future.
English will help me achieve my dreams.
Great job! Keep practicing these sentences many times every day.
Friends, learning English opens many doors. It helps with jobs, travel, studies, and making friends from other countries. Never stop learning.
This is why we create these long videos, so you can listen for a long time and get comfortable with English.
Please support Quick English. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Share with anyone who wants to learn English.
Now, tell us in the comments. Describe your city or town. What transportation do you use most? What job do you want in the future? What do you do to protect the environment? What are your future plans?
We read your comments carefully and make new episodes based on what you like.
Thank you so much for watching this long video until the end. You are a wonderful student.
Stay healthy, stay positive, practice English every day, and keep moving toward your dreams.
See you in the next big episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.